Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into one of the hottest career spaces right now, large language models or LLMs. In the next 5 minutes, I'll walk you through the real job opportunities, which roles are growing fastest, the exact skills companies pay for, and a practical roadmap you can follow to land high-value AI roles. If you want to transition into AI this year, stay tuned. I'll give project ideas, interview tips, and resources you can start using today. Quick refresher. LLMs are neural networks trained on massive text corpora to produce or understand language. They power chatbots, code assistants, summarizers, and more. You don't need a PhD to work with them, but you do need a mix of software engineering, data understanding, and model intuition. Think of LLM roles as a spectrum, from research-focused work to productized systems engineering. Why now? 2 reasons: exponential demand and accessible tooling. Startups and enterprises are rushing to build LLM-powered features, and cloud APIs plus open-source model checkpoints make experimentation cheap. That demand creates roles across product, research, and engineering. Plus, the community and learning materials are exploding. You can build a portfolio faster than in traditional ML paths. Let's map the main roles. 1. Prompt engineer crafts prompts, evaluates outputs, and builds prompt flows. 2. NLP LLM engineer integrates models into products, fine-tunes, and optimizes. 3. Research scientist advances model architectures and training methods. 4. MLOps infrastructure engineer manages deployment, scaling, observability. 5. Product manager designer for AI defines use cases and ensures ethical, usable experiences. Each role requires different mixes of skills. We'll unpack those next. What should you learn? Core skills include Python, PyTorch, TensorFlow, transformer architectures, prompt engineering, evaluation metrics, data pipelines, containerization, Docker, cloud, AWS, GCP, Azure, and monitoring for hallucinations and bias. Soft skills matter too: system design, communication, and domain expertise for applied roles. Focus on breadth early, then specialize based on the role you want. Here's a step-by-step learning path. 1. Foundations: Python, linear algebra basics, probability, and basic ML. 2. LLM fundamentals: transformers, attention, tokens, and inference. 3. Hands-on projects: build a chatbot, summarizer, or code helper. 4. Deploy and monitor: containerize, deploy on cloud or serverless, add logging and safety checks. 5. Specialize: pick a niche, research, product, or infra. I'll list specific project examples in a minute. Project ideas that get attention. 1. Domain-specific assistant: legal, medical, or finance Q&A with retrieval augmented generation, RAG. 2. Code assistant plugin: integrate LLM into VS Code or GitHub Actions. 3. Multimodal mini app: combine text and images for a product like smart image captioning. 4. MLOps demo: show end-to-end training, CI/CD, canary rollout, and metrics. Make projects public: include a README, notebooks, and a video demo. Tools you'll use every day: Hugging Face transformers, OpenAI Anthropic APIs for quick prototyping, LangChain or Llama Index for RAG and orchestration, weights and biases for experiment tracking, Kubernetes for scaling, and popular datasets like C4, Wikitext, and domain-specific corpora. Learn how to stitch these together. That's what makes you productive in real companies. How to stand out in interviews: build a concise story that highlights impact, what you built, the metrics improved, and technical trade-offs. Prepare to whiteboard system design for LLMs: latency, cost, caching, RAG versus fine-tuning, and safety mitigation. Have a public repo and a short demo video. For research roles, be ready to discuss experiments, hyperparameters, and ablations in detail. Where are LLMs used? Virtually everywhere. Customer support automation, content generation, code assistance, knowledge management with RAG, search enhancement, and domain-specific advisory tools. Companies range from small startups to cloud providers and enterprise product teams. Look for roles in SaaS, fintech, healthcare, education, and developer platform companies. Let's talk numbers. LLM-related roles tend to command strong pay because of scarcity and impact. Entry-level positions can start competitive with typical software engineering. Specialized roles like senior ML engineer, research scientist, and senior ML ops often reach high mid-six figures in major markets when total comp is included. Your trajectory can go from engineer to lead to director or transition into founder roles, all accelerated by LLM expertise. If you're starting today, here's a practical 30-day plan. Week 1, learn Transformer basics and Python refresher. Week 2, follow a tutorial building a small chatbot with Hugging Face or OpenAI APIs. Week 3, add retrieval, RAG, with a vector DB like Pinecone or an open-source alternative. Week 4, deploy a demo, write a blog post, and share a short video demo on GitHub or LinkedIn. Small, consistent wins build momentum. Resources I recommend: Hugging Face courses, Stanford CS224N/lecture notes, LangChain docs, practical MLOps tutorials, and communities on Twitter, X, and Discord. If this video helped, like and subscribe for more hands-on AI career content. I post roadmaps, project walkthroughs, and mock interviews. Drop your career questions in the comments, and I'll make a follow-up video tailored to the most common requests. Go build, iterate, and ship. LLM Careers Reward Action.